Ate, what do you think? My hair. What do you think?
Looks fine.
It looks fine. It looks the same. Is it better?
No.
It's not better,
No.
but it's the same.
No.
It's good. It's not better. Leah!
Hi, Daddy. Dada. Dada. Oh, Dada. Ay, Dada.
Leah! Ah!
Dada.
Ayos mo, Boko?
Hindi naman niya ginamitan ng cleaning scissor.
Ginamitan niya, puro nga ganun eh. Kaya ang tagal.
Pati ngayon, yan, ganyan.
Mas okay.
May nilagay siyang gel ba?
Ito nga ang trick niyan. Ang initial haircut for stylist, 500. Sabihin ko, dapat yung normal barber haircut lang, 400. Mahal rin. Sige, doon na tayo sa stylist, 500. E di, pagupit na ako, tagal niyang gupitan. Tapos para may mga nirecommend siyang mga pakulay na raw ng buhok. Gusto ko bang i-shave niya na ako, ganyan. Magkano yung mga ganun? Meron kaming treatment, 2.6. 2.6? Ayos ba? Ayos ba, guys? Hindi na ba tayo, medyo handa na ba tayo sa kasal ni Miggy bukas? Pwede na, dapat lang. Magkano yung normal haircut ko? 50 pesos. Binibigyan ko na si Roger nun. Plus 50, 100 lang gupit ko. Ito, 500. Wow naman! Iya! Hi! Ang busy naman maglaro niyan eh. Yeah. Ito, Bull. Ito. Dia. Ito. Wow! Pasok ka dyan sa bahay. Marunong na maglaro mag-isa eh. Dia! Ay! Dia! Oink! Yay! Time na. Bye-bye! Lumabas ka na dyan, lumabas ka na.
Ay, mo na, Ben.
Bye-bye na.
Ang hirap kumakalas.
Bye-bye.
Kumakalas nga.
Doon nga dapat kayo maglakad para may experience siya lumabas.
Labas ka daw, labas.
Hindi yung lagi siyang pinipilit lumabas. Mama! Mama! Go, Ate Anya! Kaya pag naka-50 ka, naubos mo yung 30, 29, 28. Pag naubos mo yan, makaka-500 tickets ka. Oh, ate!
It wasn't hard.
Saan makaka-tickets? Oh! Good stuff. Ate, is this a good game? Let's go! Go, Ate Anya, go. Let's go, let's go. Ayan na! Ah! Just 6 more! Hindi kasi siya, hindi siya pwedeng lumagpas doon sa bilog natin, di ba? You have to press it before it goes past the circle. Right? We can do this, we can do this. It's just a simple practice, Ate Anya. Let's go, let's go. Go, Ate. Just two more. How many tickets? 130. Wow! Ate, earlier you were 9, and then 6, and now 2. We're so close. We're so close, Ate. Again. Oh! Winner! 500! Ay, ba't 130 lang?
We can do it in one shot.
Is it good, Ate? Do we try another one? We keep going? Because we're getting a lot of tickets here, no? So much tickets already.
It's like
But
the
sabi
Disney-
500. Oh, yeah. He's getting all the tickets.
At the tower ticket.
Yeah. Oh, so close again. We keep going. Swipe to win 100 tickets. And let it end, and then we go for another one. Go, swipe. Grabe si Ate Anya, inuubos niya yung tickets dito. Pero sobrang sulit ng game na to kung gusto mo ganito lang. Oh. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Pala baka nagtataka kayo wala si Mami at si Leah Baby. Kasi sinama ni Mami doon sa kung saan man. May bibilin daw si Mami. Kaya dito muna kami ni Ate Anya. Kasi last time hindi siya nakapag-time zone eh. 11! Ayan, hindi siya nakapag-time zone. So ngayon kami babawi. Let's go, Ate! Yan. So, relax lang kami ni Ate Anya rito. Pusin namin ni Ate Anya yung tickets dito sa Pop the Lock. Let's go, Ate. Wala, tumatawag si Mami.
You're bad. You're not supposed to. You just keep your hand on.
Another one. You wanna play Minecraft Dungeon?
No, I don't.
Which one?
I with cheese and the other.
How about we what? We played the Wicked Tuna. No? Ayan, alis na kami ni Ate Anya. Dami ng tickets. Salamat, Pop the Lock. Baka kami ni Ate sa Crazy Hammer. Sa mga favorite games ni Ate Anya. Grabe naman. Parang mapapagod ako rito. Konti ng tickets, 29 tickets. So, gani effort mo, 39 tickets, 29 tickets. 30. Oh, nakailang wolf na pinatay mo, at saka gagamba. Halos maggaba na yung building, hindi pa rin 33 tickets na kakainin na ng wolf. Ano ba naman yan, Ate Anya? 39 tickets. 41. Oh, you got 23 seconds left, Ate. You saved the building. Grabe, papatayin ka na ng growth. Ito yung effort mo rito. Grabe na ni Ate Anya. Are you tired? Tumawag na si Mami. So papakainin namin ng tickets yung card namin. Nakailan tayo. Worth 200 credits. Pinapanood namin sa Pop the Lock. Pop the Lock, let's go! Oh, 1,000 na, 1,000. Ito tayo. Bako lalat tickets. How many tickets do you think we have, Ate?
I don't want to look it up on.
How many tickets? I think 1,500. I think.
I think two, one 200. I want 200.
1,000. 1,277.
No, no one. No 17.
1,700. Mine's 1,500. No looking, no looking. Konti na lang. Op. Walang titingin. Huwag mo titignan. Huwag mo titignan. Ilan? 1,700? Oh, you're closer. 1,700. Tara na. Katayan na ni Ate. Ay, ni Mami sa cashier 19. Let's go.